One of the most common pet fish do not come with many instructions. Goldfish are not the most efficient feed to mass converters. So they tend to produce more waste than many other species. So what do you feed goldfish? Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Mermaid, and today we will discuss about the feeding of goldfish. If you like our videos, then hit the bell icon and the subscribe button. Don't forget to like and share our videos. So let's start with our today's video. A varied diet will maximize the health of your goldfish. The goldfish diet should contain a high carbohydrate level, a mixture of specialized goldfish flake and granules, or a goldfish staple diet. Ideally, supplement this with live brine shrimp and a mixture of frozen brine shrimp, Daphnia and veggie mix. The diet can also be supplemented by scalded peas, small invertebrates and duckweed. Any freeze-dried food should be soaked first to avoid digestive upsets. Almost all goldfish diet will start with the pellet versus flake debate. Very small fish will likely need to start with flakes, but as soon as your fish graduate to having a mouth that can handle a small pellet, it is better for their overall health. Flakes are messy and start to dissolve instantly on contact with the water. Foul up your water quality and don't hold onto their nutrition as long as well as pellets. Pellets have a lower surface to mass ratio, decreasing the amount of nutrition that can evaporate from the surface of the food. Namely, water-soluble vitamin such as vitamin C will stick around longer in a pellet than a flake. No matter what type you choose, most of the vitamin C will be gone after 6 months, provided you store your fish's food properly. How much pellet? How much your fish needed to eat will depend on their lifestyle. Goldfish in outdoor ponds will require significantly more energy than a fish in indoor tank. Larger fish will need more than smaller fish. Since fish metabolism is tied to the water temperature, warmer water will mean more pellets than colder water. The best method is to start slow and only offer 3 to 4 size appropriate pellets per fish. If your water temperature is below 65 to 75 degree Fahrenheit or 18 to 24 degrees Celsius, feed once a day. Below that, every other day or every 3 days. Above 75 degree Fahrenheit or 24 degrees Celsius, you will likely need to feed your fish twice a day. Feeding should be limited when water temperature falls below 8 degrees Celsius because being homeothermic, goldfish are less able to digest the food at this lower temperature. In addition to goldfish food, a variety of unique feed can be offered occasionally to goldfish to supplement their basic diet. Goldfish can eat shelled peas, bloodworm, brine shrimp, ghost shrimp, daphnia, mealworm, leafy greens, cooked rice, boiled or microwave diced broccoli, boiled or microwave diced corn, etc. You should never feed bread to the goldfish as it can swell up inside their intestine and causes constipation and even death. Offer goldfish food at the same time each day. The fish will learn to recognize who is feeding them and will come to the surface to be fed. With patience, they can even learn to take food from your fingertips. You will need to learn that how much food to add in each 1 minute section as you want the fish to eat whatever is there and not leave waste. In terms of amount of feed, a good rule of thumb is to only feed an amount that the goldfish can consume in under 2 minutes or only feed as much as the size of the goldfish eye. Feed 2 to 3 times daily. If the tank is getting dirty very quickly, the fish are being overfed and are produced too much waste. Reduce the amount of food slowly to acclimate the fish to their new diet. and supplement goldfish food with occasional treats. Only feed treats 1 to 2 times per week and try a variety of different treats to accommodate the preference of different fish. Like human, goldfish can have different taste and feeding preferences. Mammalian fats, for an example, from beef heart, meat, offals, etc., are poorly digested in fish, especially if the water temperature falls below 15 degrees Celsius at any time. All fat must be trimmed off, and this type of food should not be used exclusively. Remove uneaten food, both fish food and treats, 15 minutes after feeding the fish. Uneaten food can rot and will be unhealthy for the fish, and it also contributes to a dirty tank and extra toxins. Removing uneaten food will also help regulate your pet's diet so they do not overfeed. Cleaning the tank after feeding is a good idea, as you can remove uneaten food from your most recent feeding. By knowing what goldfish eat, pet owners can help their fish have an attractive, nutritious diet that suits their aquarium or pond lifestyle. With careful feeding and alternative care, a goldfish can live a long life and be a fun pet for many years. So, this much detail is for today. We will surely come with a new topic on our next video. Until then, stay tuned with our channel by pressing the bell icon. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you everyone. Take care.